Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram will auto post when possible error that stops your post from uploading. If your Instagram keeps showing this message, don't worry. Follow these simple steps. So, firstly, open the settings app. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on Instagram. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear storage, click on delete. Now go back to the home page, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Update it if not and just restart your mobile phone and check your internet stability. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.